There's a place on Earth so vast, so alive, that it creates its own weather. A world where ancient trees tower like skyscrapers, and mysterious tribes live untouched by time. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the planet's most powerful, most mysterious, and most endangered ecosystem. Welcome to another video from its epic fact. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we journey deep into the heart of this green giant to uncover its stories, its science, and the secrets that still lie hidden beneath its endless canopy. Stretching over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. So massive, in fact, that it could fit the entire United Kingdom more than 20 times. But its true scale becomes even more incredible when you realize that it spans across 9 different countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Yet, more than 60% of the forest lies within Brazil's borders alone. As we drift deeper into the Amazon, the trees rise above like a cathedral of nature. The forest is home to an estimated 390 billion trees. Yes, billion, spread across more than 16,000 different species. Among them stands the mighty Brazil nut tree, which can live for over 500 years. Then there's the towering kapok tree, stretching up to 200 feet, piercing the sky. You'll also find the rubber tree, once the engine of a global industry, and the strange walking palm, which is believed to move its roots slowly toward better sunlight. But these trees are more than wood and leaves, they're life-givers. They produce oxygen, trap carbon, and host entire ecosystems filled with insects, birds, reptiles, and mammals. Flowing through this jungle is its beating heart, the Amazon River. This mighty waterway is the second longest river in the world, stretching over 6,400 kilometers, and carrying more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Its waters are home to extraordinary creatures: gentle yet mysterious pink river dolphins, electrifying electric eels, and the fast, fearsome piranhas, known for their sharp teeth and aggressive swarms. But the Amazon is not just beautiful, it's wild, unpredictable, and often dangerous. Beneath the silence of the trees and the calm of the river lurk some of Earth's most fearsome animals. Here, the jaguar reigns as the rainforest's top predator, with a bite strong enough to crush bones. The green anaconda, the largest snake in the world, glides through swamps silently, powerful enough to take down prey twice its size. The poison dart frog, though tiny, carries toxins strong enough to kill 10 grown men. And in the murky waters, the black caiman, a crocodile cousin, lies in wait, silent, still, and deadly. Even the forest floor is a battlefield. Army ants, venomous spiders, and the dreaded bullet ant, whose sting is said to be the most painful of any insect on Earth, roam freely in this untamed world. Yet perhaps the most incredible thing about the Amazon is how little we actually know about it. Because hidden deep within its untouched stretches lie secrets lost to time. Using LiDAR technology, scientists have recently uncovered traces of what appear to be ancient cities buried beneath the forest floor, vast networks of roads, mounds, and structures built by civilizations long before colonization. Some parts of the forest remain completely unexplored, so dense, so remote, that modern humans have never set foot there. There are even tribes living in total isolation, with no contact with the outside world, still following traditions passed down for thousands of years. And there are places so strange, they seem almost unreal, like the boiling river of Peru, where temperatures rise high enough to cook anything that falls in, or the eerie dark zones of the jungle, where the canopy is so thick that sunlight never reaches the ground. Day and night feel the same, damp, quiet, and unsettling. This rainforest, the Amazon, is not just a place. It's a living, breathing machine. It controls climate, stores carbon, purifies water, and balances life on Earth. But today, it's in danger. Deforestation, wildfires, and climate change are threatening to destroy this ancient world faster than it can recover. If we lose the Amazon, we lose much more than trees. So what can we do? We start by caring, by sharing. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to It's Epic Fact, and share it with your friends. Because the more we know, the more we can protect.